Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by softening the adhesive so removal is controlled. Fill the stainless steel bowl with warm water and 1 tablespoon of mild dish soap. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes. This loosens the glue and reduces tearing, so the sticker comes off in larger pieces. Once the sticker edge lifts, peel slowly at a low angle. Fast jerks leave residue. Make sure to keep the bowl stable on a towel to prevent slips as you work. After peeling, some adhesive likely remains. You'll need to dissolve it without scratching. Use a plastic scraper or old credit card to lift softened residue. Work with the grain of the metal. Then apply 70% isopropyl alcohol or a few drops of cooking oil and let sit for 1 to 2 minutes to break down the glue. Wipe in circular motions with a microfiber cloth to remove traces. If needed, repeat solvent application. You're finishing up. Wash the bowl with hot, soapy water to remove oils and solvent, then rinse and dry immediately to avoid water spots. Make sure the bowl is cool before storage. If a stubborn gummy patch survives, reapply the solvent and let it dwell for 5–10 minutes before scraping again. Patience prevents scratches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the metal dulls, polish gently with a non-abrasive stainless cleaner and a soft cloth to restore shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.